How to make reels on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily make reels on your Instagram. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you are inside the app, simply tap on the plus icon shown in the bottom center of the screen. And here at the bottom, you can scroll through the options and tap on Reels. Now select the video that you want to put up for the reel. You can also record your reels, but for this video, I'm gonna simply select the video to make a reel. And once you have selected it, you will be prompted to the editing section. Now here you'll be provided different editing creative tools which can help you to customize your reels and make it more better and creative. Here you can see the option of audio, speed, effect, timer and many more. So you can take your time and edit your reels for better outcome. And once you're done with that, you can simply tap on the next button shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you do that, you will be prompted to the page where you can add the captions, hashtag, and here you can even tag your friends. And also you can customize the many settings of the reels right in this page. And once you're done with that, you can simply tap on the next button. And after that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, you can simply tap on share to post your reels. And if you are not ready yet, you can save it as a draft. And to see your posted reels or drafts, you can go to your profile and tap on the reel icon in the middle. And if your profile is public, your reel might also appear on the explore page, reaching more Instagram users. And that's it. That's how you can make a reel on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.